part of the garden isn't usually so,
Guarded.
He means crowded.
Afternoon, raccoons. We're the chicken squad.
Hello. So very, very pleased to meet you. I'm Wheeze, and this is my brother Snick.
Oh, it's great to meet you.
We're investigating a missing carrot report.
Gee, golly gosh, that's terrible! Those poor, delicious carrots!
Have you seen anything suspicious? Suspicious.
Oh, yeah. Lucky for you, we saw the whole thing. Right, Snick?
We did? Oh, of course we did!
Then you can tell us what you saw.
It was a masked bandit.
I knew it. Sorry, what's a bandit? It's a thief. One that wears a mask and is really sneaky.
Squad, write down everything they saw.
Do you remember what the bandit looked like?
Boo can draw up a sketch.
Oh, yeah. The creature had, wings.
Tentacles.
Got it.
That were covered in, fur.
Scales.
Feet?
Huge.
Tiny.
Voila! I have our suspect.
That's him. You're good at this.
And you have great taste in art.
I've never seen that critter before.
I'm not sure anyone has.
Then we've got our work cut out for us. Did you see where it ran off to?
That way.
Then that's where we're going. Come on, squad.
I'll check the other planters and meet you there.
We sure hope you find that bandit, officers.